Wonderful good day, ladies and gentlemen, and we are back here at the Vancouver Resource Investment Conference, and now I'm very proud that I'm again here at the booth of Fission Uranium. You remember we spoke already with the guys also in London at Mines and Money, and yeah, now they made it happen. And with me here is Dev Rendhava, the CEO of the company. Dev, thank you very much for taking the time.
Well, thank you for having us.
You had a big announcement, but
yes,
we
come
to this in a minute.
Sure.
But first of all, let's explain, how did you come to this resource last year?
Sure. Well, you know, the discovery was made back in 2012. And the first year, our real idea was to how long it could be, right? And then the second year, it was more about how wide it could be. So we did the 2 years of drilling. Now we came up with, and we knew that the goal was to have a number. So you can talk all day about drill holes, but at the end of the day, you're measured by one thing, how many pounds you have and what grade.
Yeah.
So knowing that, that's what we did. We focused on really getting the pounds, and sure enough, a lot of analysts expected 45, 50 million, maybe 60 million field. Maybe 60 million pounds max. Our resource came out at 105, so we were more than 50. Yeah. Just keep in mind, Hathor was supposed to have 20 million pounds. When the number came out, it was 13.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a very small, it was quite a drop. And so after 2 years, Hathor only had 13 million pounds. After 2 years, there was only 35 million pounds with our friends over at Denison and Wheeler. So for us to come over above and be so high, it says something about this project, and it says about something about our technical team to ability to hit 98% of our holes in these various things. So anyways, we're very lucky that it's a very large project, and we have a great technical team doing it.
Yeah. Let's talk a bit about valuation. Of course, I'm a shareholder of you guys also. I'm totally happy what Ross and the team and you guys all did. Yeah, really congratulations on that. I personally suspected 80 million pounds. That was my hope. So I'm still 25% up. It's good. If we take the Hathor valuation, it was I think $10.84 per pound.
Over $11. Yeah, close,
yeah, something like that. So let's round it. It's 11.
Right.
Even if you would say today with uranium prices a bit lower than at that time, if you would take $8, we come out at almost double the valuation you are today, right?
Sure, absolutely. Now, yeah, it's very hard. Like, things have changed. Uranium prices are slightly lower, but it's not the market. It's so much that the general markets are so weak, you know, and you've got Cameco trading at $17. So I think it's not so much the price of the commodity. It's really what the world views commodities and valuation. However, you got to let's compare the two. When they were sold, they had about 58 million pounds.
Yep.
And most of that was inferred. They were hoping that's there. Indicated it was only like 13 million. So 75% was hope, and 15% we have.
Yeah.
So here we are, 80 million pounds indicated and 25 million inferred. So it's almost inverse. Secondly, we are much closer to the surface, you know, and it's much easier to mine, and you can attract people who are, you can find people who can mine, lots of people can mine open pit, but very few can do underground uranium.
Yeah.
So that's why it's so important to have open pitable. Yeah. So I think, prices are lower, but I think we're worth a lot more.
Definitely.
Than what
I think it's a double from today, easily. Yeah.
You know what? I personally, like, people ask me, what do you want to do? I said, I want to grow it and sell it someday.
Yeah.
Someday, I don't know when, but I do believe we're worth over $3, to be honest.
Yeah.
I believe that if you look at $1 billion asset that's growing, don't remember, this is why we speak, it's being drilled.
Yeah.
So it's not like
you started today, right?
Yeah, today we started. So it's going to grow. And looking at the model, you can see there's room to grow, plenty of room to grow, north, south, east. So it's a snapshot. It's like one time, but it's going to keep growing. Yeah. And so the worst case is 105. So the worst case is $1 billion. It can grow from there.
Yeah, absolutely. That's right. Yeah, definitely. So, as I said, you have started the winter program. How large is it?
It's about at least 10 million. You know, every year we set out to be 10, but if we have reason to drill, we'll drill more. Our 50% of our drilling this year is to do step outs where we are, but the second part is we're going to be going after an area called Forest Lake. It's literally about 10K away, and it's a brand new lake, an area. Well, we really like the signatures of the alteration, the different targets of radon gas. We're very excited. So Like I said, the next stage is to grow it and someday sell it. But the first stage is, I believe the way we're doing such a good job with it, we've earned the right to keep it a little bit longer.
Yeah.
One day we will sell it.
Yeah, super. Did you receive already some phone calls?
Oh, absolutely. We've had, we have discussions, but that's a normal course of business. Yeah. Let's not forget, this is the largest undeveloped, high-grade asset left in the basin. Even if you forget uranium, if you look at the dollar value, which is $1,200 to $1,400 rock, it makes the highest value undeveloped asset in the world as well. So it's not just, it doesn't matter if it's gold, silver, we're running almost 40 grams per ton. That's a pretty big number. So we're very, very happy where we're going and what we've achieved. But I think there's lots of room to grow.
Yeah, definitely. Super. Great. Thank you very much.
Thank you for having us.
All the best. Thank you. And keep it going. Keep it returning. I look forward to very good results again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, it was Stefan Hammer, the CEO of famous Fission Uranium. You heard it, 106 million pounds is now the first resource. It's really outstanding. The market expected 40 to 50 million. So they doubled the market expectations. And as Steph said already, $3 should be the valuation when you sell it maybe one day. And hopefully the shareholders will be happy then when it comes to a takeover. I think they're on the right path now. The drills are turning in the winter program. And honestly, I've been there 1 year ago exactly. I've been there and it is outstanding when you see it. It was really cold, but it is fantastic what I saw there. And I'm pretty sure the next resource update will be 150. Thanks and bye-bye from Vancouver.
Thank you.
Thank
Good
you.
to see you.